Hey, it's Coriel, author, mentor, host of Confessions of a Workaholic podcast, as well as Work, Pray, Slay Weekend. And I have to tell y'all, I have totally enjoyed the Joyner Method 2-day workshop. It didn't just meet my expectations, it exceeded my expectations, because not only did he give us like the real secrets, the tips, the tricks, the tools that we need to be able to build this digital brand, he gave us the tools that he actually uses. So many times you go to conferences, you take classes, you do coaching sessions, and you quickly find out that you've kind of like wasted your time and your money because they're only giving you surface level stuff that you could find on Google. But this workshop was definitely different, definitely worth the time, definitely worth the money, and also I was able to be surrounded by movers, shakers, money makers, people who are influencers and leaders in their industries. And so super excited to be part of the Joyner family now, and just excited and thankful for AJ and this workshop.